Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that began the YouTube TV trial. Once signed in, navigate to TV. YouTube. Or open the YouTube TV app. Make sure you see your profile in the top right. Next, go to Settings and select Membership. This is where the trial status and next billing date are visible. Save a screenshot of the trial end date, because once you locate membership, you're ready for the cancellation steps that follow. Once in membership, look for the Cancel or Pause Membership control. Depending on your account, it may be under Manage or Actions. Tap Cancel Membership, read the offers or retention options, then confirm you want to cancel. You'll often need to click Continue or Confirm twice. You'll be asked why you're leaving. Answer briefly. After confirmation, expect an on-screen message saying your membership remains active until the trial end date, which protects you from immediate access. To finish, check your email for a cancellation confirmation. That's your receipt. Then revisit membership to verify the status shows canceled or displays the trial end date so you won't be billed. If you don't see cancellation options, sign out and sign back in, clear browser cache, or try a different device. Sometimes the app caches state. If the confirmation email never appears, contact Google support from the Help menu. Keep your screenshot of the original trial details handy for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.